Back again for our last day of comparing and contrasting. We have been learning lots of cool facts about different animals this week, different kinds of butterflies, alligators, and crocodiles. And today we are going to read about penguins and parrots. So you need your crayons again, blue, yellow, and green, and we shall get started. Comparing how things are the same and contrasting how are they different. Penguins are birds. They are warm-blooded animals. Most penguins live in icy climates. They cannot fly. Instead, they use their wings to glide through the water, kind of like how alligators and crocodiles do. Penguins have black and white feathers. They lay only one egg at a time. The male penguin incubates the egg while the female hunts for food. So incubates means he takes care of the egg. Penguins eat small fish and krill. Let's read about parrots. What do they have in common with penguins, right? They're such beautiful birds. Parrots are birds. They are warm-blooded animals. Most parrots live in tropical climates. They use their wings to fly high into the trees. Parrots can be many colors: red, blue, green, and yellow. Parrots lay between 1 and 6 eggs at a time. The male and female parrots take turns incubating the eggs. Okay, so mom and dad take turns taking care of the eggs, while the other parrot finds food. They eat seeds, fruit, and small insects. I already have a lot of things that are different, but let's go ahead and color code like we did on Monday, okay? So, facts about penguins are green. Facts about parrots are blue. And both are yellow. All right, let's go one box at a time. They are birds. Well, we're going to find our facts, right? Penguins are birds, parrots are birds. So that is about both. So that would be yellow. And remember, you can just color over the words if you want. Okay. They lay only one egg at a time. Let's go ahead and find that fact. How many eggs? Because we read eggs about in both. Let's see, I'm going to look for that clue word again. Scan, 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 scan. Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop. Egg. They lay only one egg at a time. Now let's find 4 parrots. Tell me when you see that word, and I will stop. So now I read around it. They lay between 1 and 6 eggs at a time. So that is something different. So this one would be for penguins, which are green. I'm coloring kind of quickly just because I've been coloring a lot longer than you guys. So again, you can just color the words, or you can just put like a color X in the box, and then you can go back and color when we're all done if I'm moving too fast. Or pause. The male incubates the eggs. So there's that word incubates that we said takes care of. Tell me when to stop. It's that word incubates. Ding, ding, ding. The male penguin incubates the egg. Let's find it for parrots. Right? We read the male and female takes turns. So this would again be just about penguins. So if you want to just do a green X, and then when we're all done, you can go back and color, that's fine with me. A-okay with me. So you guys have lots of cool facts this week to share at the dinner table. They can be many colors. All right, let's start at the beginning. That's when we read about their colors. They're used their wings. Penguins have black and white feathers. That's not a lot of color, is it? Parrots can be many colors. So this one is about parrots. So lots of things the same, more things different, that's for sure. Right. The male and female take turns incubating the eggs. We found that fact already, right? Because penguins, it's the male, and we read the male and female for parrots. So that one was pretty easy because we had found that fact from the other question. And that's why we underline. They cannot fly. Let's see. Where's that word fly? That would be the clue word that I'm looking for. Oh, I see it right there. They cannot fly for penguins. And let's see, they use their wings to fly. So parrots fly. Penguins do not fly. That would be an interesting thing to see, a penguin flying, right? That movie where that one penguin wanted to fly so bad. Happy Feet, right? It's a good one. If you haven't seen it, watch it. It's a good one. Kind of old, but I think you'd enjoy it. They are warm-blooded animals. Let's see. That was right at the beginning too. I see it right there. My eyes found it already. They are warm-blooded. And then parrots are warm-blooded animals as well. So that would be both. That's something that they have in common. All right, last one. Most live in tropical climates. You probably already know the answer to that, but we're gonna go back and find it. We are trying to find where they live, Most penguins live in icy climates, so they live in cold areas. And there's only two other sentences that's not underlined here, so that's easy to look for. Most parrots live in tropical climates. And the only thing they really didn't talk about was what they eat, and what they eat is very different. Penguins eat small fish, they eat seeds, fruits, and small insects. So tropical climates it is. That would be blue. So again, you are going to be hunting for your independent work for similarities and differences. And I've taught you a great strategy with your coloring and your underlining the facts to make it really easy. So you should do very well on it. We've worked really hard. Now, your job right now for your independent work is you, instead of more animals, you're going to compare and contrast two people, Benjamin Franklin and Thomas Jefferson. Same exact format, right? Very familiar. You can color just like you did, but you're not going to type your answers into Schoology. You have like one of those green puzzle pieces where it's A, B, or C. So the answer choice is either going to be Benjamin Franklin, Thomas Jefferson, or both men, okay? So you can certainly color if you want, and then bring this paper back to Schoology to do the answers. Or if you just want to write their letters here and not do any coloring, like BF for Benjamin Franklin and TJ for Thomas Jefferson and B for both. And then you can just take this paper with you to do your Schoology quiz. All right. So comparing and contrasting two historical figures. You may color it, you don't have to, but you do have to complete the green puzzle piece. So I know how you're doing independently after all this hard work for compare and contrast.